If you've ever tried to take fork stickers off of the WP and hated life afterwards, I'm going to show you how we get them off, because we have tried every way under the sun and screamed and cussed, and we tried different things. So first, pretty much everybody's got a heat gun, and if you don't, use your blow dryer or whatever. All you want to do is just get it super hot. Hot enough to where it's almost, you don't want to touch it, but we'll start there. Good couple minutes to make sure that kind of all the glue is separating from the sticker. Because once you peel it off and it's stuck on the tube, it never wants to come off after that. You sit there with a sharp razor blade. We've done Brillo pads. We put it on the lathe. We've done everything to try to get it off. And this seems to be the best way so far this year that I've been able to get them off pretty good. Nice and warm, pretty hot to the touch. Sometimes you can get it to where it'll actually peel all the glue off too. Kind of the rule is you'll get one that's a super clean pull, comes off perfect, and then get you excited for the next one that doesn't come off at all. So, there you go. Here's a messy pull. So you can see all the glue residue is still just stuck around. Tube's pretty hot, pretty warm. Once you can manage it, you just start peeling it with your thumb. Careful, it's hot, but just your fingers, it'll actually just roll all that glue off without making a huge mess everywhere. Anytime it's too hot in a spot, I'll just go to a different one, use a different hand. A couple minutes with a heat gun will do more than sitting here scraping with a razor all day, getting blisters on your fingers when you can do it this way. And that's it. All the glue residue, everything is off clean, ready for new stickers. So there's your tech tip. Fingers are still here, a little sore, but it's my easiest way of doing it this week.